So what are the best practices for installing roof hatches in commercial buildings? Ensuring proper sealing, insulation, and secure mounting to meet safety standards and provide easy rooftop access. Today, we'll be discussing the BA-RHT ladder access roof hatch from Best Access Doors. This model provides safe and convenient rooftop access. Proper sealing and insulation are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your roof and preventing leaking. Our BA-RHT model is designed for a secure and weatherproof solution, ensuring that your rooftop access point is safe and functional. The BA-RHT model's robust design with pre-drilled mounting flange ensures a secure and stable installation, offering reliable access for equipment and maintenance tasks. Come take a look to see how you install our BA-RHT ladder access roof hatch. Step 1. Prepare the hole in the roof deck to match the roof hatch's inside dimensions. Step 2. Set the unit onto the roof deck and line up the inside opening of the unit with the hole in the roof deck. Step 3. Screw directly into the roof through the pre-drilled mounting holes in the roof hatch. Step 4. Ensure the flashing materials and sealants are properly applied over the roof hatch's flange to ensure a weather-tight seal. Step 5. Finally, check for a smooth and seamless operation to ensure everything is installed correctly. Following these best practices ensures that your roof hatch installation is safe, secure, and reliable. Our BA-RHT model provides the perfect solution for your commercial building needs. So don't wait. Contact our team of experts today to discuss your specific requirements and find the ideal roof hatch for your project. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on the best access solutions for your building needs.